What's going on, everyone? Today I got a 2021 Hyundai Elantra. I'm gonna show you how to pull out your cabin filter. Okay, it's gonna be behind your glove box, so we're gonna need to lower the glove box door. To do that, we're just gonna push the glove box in. Okay, we need to get it past the stoppers here on both sides. Okay, it'll be a little tricky. All right. Now, if you look, the glove box is actually coming down, coming off. It actually come off its hinges if you just pull it. Okay, check out these hinges. They're just these plastic guys right here. It's made to do this, so when we go to put it back on, we're just gonna go something like this. And all we have to do is just close it. Okay, but right here is where the cabin filter is located, in this box here. We need to take this door off, and to do that, right here we just pinch these clips, and then we can pull the door off. Okay, if you look at the left side, it's got this tab that goes into this slot here. Okay, so here's our filter, and notate airflow direction. So when we get our new filter, we're gonna want to put it in exactly how this one came out, with the airflow facing down. This filter is pretty dirty, man. I'm gonna need to order it. I actually don't have a new one. If you need one, check the description box down below. I have a link to Amazon. They'll pretty much will take you to go get a new filter if you need one. So check that out if you need a new filter. When you get your new one, just again slide this guy in, and you're gonna want to slide it in all the way. Move it up, because on this door it has these feet that are gonna go in this slot pretty much. All right, let's switch hands real quick, and then we just go left side in first, and then we just push this guy. Click. And put the glove box back. Super easy. Slide up the hinges just like this. Push it on there, and then all we got to do is close the glove box, and we're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.